Welcome to Elizahs channel!
Hello friends! In today's video we are going to be saying some words that begin with the letter S. Are you ready?
3, 2, 1, get ready! Let's play! Snake.
Great job! Snake. Snake.
Snail.
Brilliant! Snail. Snail.
Star.
Fantastic! Star. Star.
Strawberry.
Excellent! Strawberry. Strawberry.
Sun.
Well done! Sun. Sun.
Spoon.
Great job! Spoon. Spoon.
Socks.
Brilliant! Socks. Socks.
Skate.
Fantastic! Skates. Skates.
Skateboard.
Excellent! Skateboard. Skateboard.
Spider.
Excellent! Spider. Spider.
Scarf.
Well done! Scarf. Scarf.
Skirt.
Great job! Skirt. Skirt.
Snow.
Fantastic! Snow. Snow.
Seahorse.
Brilliant! Seahorse. Seahorse. We hope you had lots of fun learning. If you did, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos. See you next time. Have a giggly day. Bye.